Hey, what's up guys? So we're gonna do an unboxing. I just ordered this off Amazon. It is a Muay Thai gear, and I've been wanting to order this for a long time now, and finally pulled the trigger on it. It cost me around $99 for this, plus tax, so $104. And it finally came in today. And I just want to show you guys what it is. Let's do an unboxing. And go. This came in pretty quick. I think it was like a 2-day delivery. Okay. Here it is. Okay, you guys can see that. It is a Fairtex belly pad. This is a free size, so it's not necessarily made for a certain size, and you can use this Velcro. And let me put this on, make sure it fits. It's freaking windy today in Hawaii, so everything is like flying all over the place. So anyways, it's real leather, as you can see. The only problem I have with it is the leather looks like it's like getting wrinkled. But from what I heard is that it's good because it's actually real, that's why. The grain of the leather. The fitment wise, you know what? I would call this a size large, to be honest. This is not a free size. Like, it's like barely holding on to me. I usually wear a XL, most of my stuff, but this one feels a little on the tighter side. Maybe because I'm gaining weight, haven't been dieting good. But other than that, it's pretty good. Nice padding right here. And matches my other gear, which is my other Fairtex stuff. But I'm gonna be using this more for training because I wanna have to not always hold the pad to my body to teep or to make right or left hooks, body shots. So this will help a lot. And the great thing about this is it actually has, see if I'm pointing at it? It actually has this right here, the circles, where you can see like where exactly they gotta hit. It's on both sides. So body shots, left hook and right hooks. Again, this is great material, pretty hard. I had the twins one before, and the problem with the twins is it felt kind of cheap. It wasn't thick as this. This is pretty thick, to be honest. The build is pretty good. I'm just hoping it lasts long as far as the Velcro and it doesn't fall apart. Still smells brand new. Again, this is a genuine leather made in Thailand. There's a warning right here. These products help provide a degree of protection, but are not warranted to protect the user from injury. Users assume all risks of injury. Just got to be careful when holding pads or getting hit with this, because like it said, there's not that much protection. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys later.